Good morning, Harvest Preparatory parents. We're excited to have you with us this morning as we are talking to all of our teachers, especially I am talking to all the teachers in this moment about that amazing thing that we do only in Harvest Preparatory Academy, which is prepare your child for real life, a career, their dreams, and success. So part of that process is that we do the budget, and the budget is taking all of your household expenses and adding their dream home, your child's dream car. Then we help them set up goals, find the colleges and the careers that will pay the amount of salary that they're going to need to support that budget, and then they're going to look for colleges and what colleges to go to. Then we're going to talk to them about how we're going to help them fund that college, and then we're going to start setting goals, not just for career, but academically. I want your children to know that their K-12 education is not just a necessary evil. And yes, there are children that believe that. And I want your child to say, hey, this K-12 education is a stepping stone to an amazing future, and we're going to teach our teachers today how to do that. Thank you so much for choosing Harvest.